This is Anytown, aka B-Boy Super Duper, repping Motion Crew and Triple X Crew. I'm 17 years old, junior in high school, and that's what's up.
Yo, my name is Noob. My B-Boy name is B-Boy Dummy. I'm 17 and I represent Triple X.
I'm B-Boy Ultimate and I represent X Crew. And I just turned 16, so yeah.
Hi, my name is Nathan Lee. I'm a junior at Johnson High School, 16. I represent X Crew, and I don't have a B-Boy name yet. I'm still searching for a B-Boy name. Peace.
What's up, guys? My name is Jefferson Lee, 16. Don't have a B-Boy name yet, and yes, I'm repping XX Crew.
안녕하세요. Rumbehu Tommy Yang. I'm 16. My B-Boy name is B-Boy Twister, and I represent Triple X.
Hey, my name is Momeng Tao. I'm 17, representing TXC Triple X Crew. My B-Boy name is B-Boy Violet. Peace.
This is B-Boy Ultimate. Okay.
Okay. Hey, I'm Katrina Zhang. I'm a 16-year-old sophomore in high school. I am the manager of Triple X.
Hey, Katrina, big fast.
Yeah. 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 I'm in the back, changing my outfit. He said, "Blink, we was in the house." And I said, "Wait, here I come, here I come, here I come. You boys get ready, cause here I come, here I come, here I come." He said, "Yeah, you better come out with your hands up, we got you surrounded." I'm in the back, changing my outfit. He said, "Blink, we was in the house." And I said, "Wait, here I come, here I come, here I come. You boys get ready, cause here I come, here I come, here I come." I'm so rubber 100. How much charisma could another one stomach? If I be a prisoner, then I wasn't more gunning. All wise, if I come outside, I'm not running. The stone lone wolf for the pack, the unwanted. I really got nothing to hide, I'm about cutting. Go out in the blaze, wouldn't pop one button. I'm a murk, half hurt, lead a cop dog, something. The pretty black one in the group, the smooth villain under fire, cause I'm penning the words to move.